How to add product in YouTube channel. So if you want to start selling by using your attraction and traffic from YouTube, then this video is for you. First thing you need to do is to head over to studio.youtube.com and you should be able to see in here the channel that you have. Now from in there, go over to the earn option. If you're eligible for the shopping feature of YouTube, you should be able to see them right here. You can indeed add products from your YouTube channel. So from there, you're going to start tagging your products on the videos that you create. So for example, on this case, you can tag products while uploading a new content. You can go just upload a video and then on the details page, just click on the products and click on the plus icon and enter the name of the product that you want to tag. Now for the shorts, you can rearrange the list to choose which product appears as a shopping product sticker, and you can adjust the size and placement of the shopping product sticker directly inside the YouTube mobile app while tagging it. Also, do take note that you need to connect your story with YouTube. So if when you head over to the shopping tab on your earned page, and if you're eligible, you can click on the get started and create a new store. So you can create Shopify and can actually add your products from Shopify from there and then use your YouTube as a traffic in order to redirect your viewers to your Shopify website and have them buy from you. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.